So, to get things started, I'm going to need your help a little bit throughout the show, okay? First of all, when I say Jurassic to see you, I want all of you to join in and say, to see you, Jurassic! Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, ready? Ready, contestants, audience? Jurassic to see you! To see you, Jurassic! All right, let's get on with the show. To the final of Jurassic Jury! The competition to find the best dinosaur. Now, it's been a fabulous competition, but now the 4 finalists have been chosen and are here to compete for the coveted Glitter Fossil Trophy. And the winner will be chosen by you. So, for the last time, I'm going to say, Jurassic to see you! To see you, Jurassic! Wave and roar. Wave and roar. Wave and roar. Stop. So now let's do the dinosaur wave and roar. Ready? And wave and roar. Wave and roar. We've done it before, let's do it some more. Wave and roar, wave and roar. We've done it before, let's do it some more. Wave and roar, wave and roar, wave and roar, wave and roar. Before we meet our finalists, here's a reminder of some dinosaurs who didn't make it to the final. Last year, Stegosaurus stomped away with the precious Glitter Fossil Trophy. Remember him? But his spiky back and cheeky grin couldn't take him to this year's final. Big R for Stegosaurus. Aww. Triceratops, Mr. Beaky, with his 3 horns and that lovely frill around his neck. Remember him? It wasn't enough, and we say bye-bye, Beaky. Bye, Beaky. Long neck. Short stay in the competition. Plod away, Mr. Diplo. He'll be having more time to reach those juicy leaves in the trees. Let's give old Diplo a big crunch, crunch, crunch. Ready? Crunch! 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 Goodbye to Stego, Triceratops and Diplo. And now, a huge hello to our 4 finalists! Just to remind you all that it's your votes that decide the winner. You are the Jurassic Jury. Now we'll meet all 4 finalists, and then the winner is up to you. Our first finalist, is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a pterodactyl! Look up, everyone! He's flying in! He's got no feathers. I'm sorry, it's true. But he can fly in all kinds of weathers. And the party piece he's going to do for us today is a real thriller. Pterodactyl is going to attempt not 1, not 2, but 3 loop-the-loops. Never before attempted by a winged creature as large as this, and at such a low level. He's going to be right over your heads, judges. Here on Jurassic Jury, it's up to you. For our second finalist, come with me. We are going under the sea. It's a plesiosaur. spending his day happily swimming and looking for prey. Welcome to the plesiosaur. The other name for plesiosaur is Elasmosaurus. Crazy name, crazy dinosaur. And plesiosaur is going to do a trick that won him a gold medal in the Dinosaur Olympics last year. Isn't that amazing? He did the most fabulous high dive. In fact, he's currently the best high diving dinosaur in the world. He's climbing the ladder. Look at those flippers go! Up, up, up. It's so high with the diving pool below. Quiet now, judges, as the plesiosaur gets ready for his death-defying dive. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Is that a winner? I can't say. What a high standard we're seeing today. And our third finalist. Oh, scary. Here he comes. I hope he's not hungry. He's hunting in the forest. He's stamping with his feet. They're massive, with big claws on, but his arms are small and neat. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you T-Rex! Ah, what a massive predator! His teeth are sharp and clean. He's got the finest toothbrush I've ever seen. When T-Rex cleans his teeth, what a sound it makes. All the other dinosaurs run away and the forest shakes. And that's what he's going to do for us, judges. The mighty T-Rex is going to brush his teeth. Never before attempted on a game show, because there might be an earthquake and a tidal wave of toothpaste. This is the most dangerous thing we have ever seen on Jurassic Jury. Hold on to your seats, everyone. He's getting out the toothbrush. Survived. Let's give a round of applause for T-Rex. But is he a winner? We don't know. Let's welcome our last finalist in this year's exciting Jurassic Jury final. Now, she was a bit of a shock because she's so small that no one has really noticed her up until now. But here she is. I give you... Oh, where is she? Anyone? Oh, she'll scamper out in a minute, I'm sure. Oh, there you are, the Compsognathus! The smallest dinosaur ever seen. With dainty feet and toes. She's the size of a small chicken with a little pointy nose. Eating tiny insects, jumping over stones. Big dinosaurs can't see her, so they leave her alone. Compsognathus is the best dancer of all the dinosaurs. I think it's those twinkling toes, and it's a dance we're going to see in this Jurassic Jury final. He's going to twinkle those toes for us right now, ladies and gentlemen. I give you the Compsognathus Competition Show Dance! And fabulous, but is Compsognathus a winner? Let's have a dinosaur wave and roar to say it's nearly time to decide the winner. Wave and a roar, wave and a roar. We've done it before. Let's do it some more. Wave and roar, wave and roar, wave and roar, wave and roar. You can only vote once, so make that vote count. Time to choose. Who will you vote for? Which of our contestants is the best dinosaur? Here's a reminder of our 4 finalists. The looping pterodactyl. High-diving plesiosaur. The toothbrushing T-Rex. Let's all clean our teeth with him. Ready? the twinkle-toed Compsognathus. You can only vote once, so make that vote count. Remember, you're going to vote with a wave and roar. Let's practice it. 1, 2, 3, wave and roar. So now, Jurassic Jury, this is it. If you want the pterodactyl to win, give me a wave and roar after 3. 1, 2, 3, wave and roar. If you want the plesiosaur to win, give me a wave and roar after 3. 1, 2, 3, wave and roar. Do you want the T-Rex to win? If you do, wave and roar after 3. 1, 2, 3, wave and roar. Finally, the Compsognathus. If you want the Compsognathus to win, wave and roar after 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wave and roar! Well, jury, it was close, but we have a winner. The Glitter Fossil Trophy, after 3 million years of evolution and 12 weeks of the nation's favourite game show, the winner of Jurassic Jury is small but perfectly formed, the dancing Compsognathus! So Compsognathus, why don't you come and accept your trophy?
Oh, wow! Thank you so much! It's been a dream come true to win the Glitter Fossil Trophy. And if my dreams can come true, then yours can too. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Compsognathus! Well, friends, it's been great. And before we say goodbye, we'll have one last dinosaur wave and roar. Ready? Wave and roar! Wave and roar! Wave and roar! Wave and roar! Jurassic to see you, Jurassic! Goodbye and keep